Hi, my name's Kelsey with Design Concepts and welcome back to What's New. In today's video, we'll be going over the Modox series from LuxR. This fixture series is among the world's smallest landscape lighting luminaires. Some range in the size of 50-cent pieces and others just the size of a pen. Keep in mind that all of LuxR's contemporary fixtures are modular in design for easy maintenance. Now let's take a look at a few of LuxR's products, starting with my favorite, the Modox Micro. These fixtures are 1 watt and deliver 70 lumens with either natural copper or stainless steel finish. The micro options consist of a 1-inch diameter marker that can also be used as a step light, or a 1-inch by 6-inch spike with a spotlight directed up. The top module of the micro spike can be interchanged to project light 360 degrees slightly upward from horizontal to illuminate the underside of foliage, or use a 180-degree module to project light back into foliage, box hedges, pathways, and even viewpoints without glare. Next is the Modox M1 that is also 1 watt but delivers 85 lumens and has 5 finish options. The M1s consist of directional and marker fixtures. The directional M1s are 1 inch in size with 3 mounting options: weighted base, spot bracket, and ground spike. The M1 markers will come in square or round options. If you're looking for a more powerful light output, the Modux 2 is 2 watts and 170 delivered lumens, or the Modox M4 option that is 4 watts and 360 lumens. These are great options but still discrete in size. The Modux 2 and 4 consist of directional fixtures, once again with 3 mounting options, round or square recessed markers, in-ground, wall wash, and directional recessed pathway step light luminaires. The Modox series from LuxR is not only for outdoors. Use this fixture indoors even for living walls, houseplants, steps, and so much more. Feel free to reach out to our office for additional information on this product, design assistance, or mock-up samples that may be needed. And go check out our full installation of this product at Ferguson downtown on Fremont Street.